Hey, what's up, y'all? I gotta catch up on my schoolwork, so I'm finna do this mini API project on stream, and we'll see how long it takes me. Let me go ahead and start the timer over, and we gonna get into it. Don't know if it's working. Let me see. Let me try this again. Pull the URL again. If I could just, you know what, y'all? It really don't matter. I'll figure it out in a minute because I kind of just want to start. But if I just go ahead and do it, it'll be done. All right, y'all. It's missing. I don't know what it's missing. That's where we at. Let me start this. Oh, there go. Bruh. Okay, whatever. We started over. Alright, let's get into it. So first I had to start a new project, new folder. I'm about to follow the instructions for what they doing in the video. And as you know, I've learned to wait until they're done to start doing stuff. Alright. Because last time I was just skipping ahead. I kept doing it. And I got a few projects open, so I gotta pick the right one. What's that get? Let me open up a terminal. What we gonna do? Create Be There Ladies. Alright. We did that. Now we're gonna name the project after they're finished loading. Yes. Project name. What's the name of this? My react. I'm gonna name my react APIs, and we doing this React JavaScript. So then after that, as you can see, it tells you what to run on the screen, and that will be CD. You gotta change the disk. React APIs, so it'll be in the right folder. When we code in, and npm install. Did I type in right there? Where it go? Okay, still doing it. I'm tripping. And then I'm pretty sure I gotta install Axios. But I'm gonna do that after I get this all together. I'm gonna follow the video of how she doing it. Because like I said, I be trying not to get ahead of myself. And that's something I tend to do. But you know, you gotta practice patience as much as possible. Let the video play until it's done, because clearly it's taking a minute to install. I wasn't expecting that. I won't lie. I wonder how long this gonna go, because I feel like it'll never take this long. See, it didn't take hers that long. I just skipped like 10 seconds. I don't know what's going on with my stuff, dog. Alright, I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna rush the process. I'm gonna let it install. right now y'all can just chill, listen to music. I'm gonna wait for it to be done. And just like that, it's done. Let me go back and do it did run dev already. So let's open this. So in the browser, it should pop up B plus React. And there we go. Does it work? Yes. Alright, so we finna go back. We're gonna go back to the video and continue the process. Alright, they're going to source and they deleting all the extra code that you don't need right now. So I'm gonna go do that. Click on your project you created in the folder. Go to source and go to app.jsx. This is all the stuff that's making the React app work, making this work. So you don't need all that. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna delete the vast majority of this stuff. Delete everything up in here other than the, I can't even think what it's called. It's called like fractorial or something like that. I don't know. I can't think of it at the moment. Most of this. Don't need that. And for me, I'm gonna import React from React, but we're gonna wait on that. Yeah, we can watch the rest of what she does too. Just like I said, not go too fast. See, look at me doing too much. Alright, let me put the use state back. Alright, let's continue. Alright, we're gonna make a new page under source. And it's gonna be fetch example. And JSX file. And honestly, this is just the beginning of me learning how to use APIs. This not even a project yet. So we're gonna see how this goes. Use state and use effect. Spelled that real wrong. You gotta watch them the cases. Let me pause it because her little info thing in a way. A constant post and set post. Okay. There we go. Alright. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I don't know all this stuff. I'm gonna have to have a one-on-one tomorrow with one of my teachers to try to catch up. I've been traveling what feels like way too much this summer. But I don't regret it. It's been very fun, but I do want to lock in on my work. See, I do too much. I'm just over here doing word association. That's not what she said. I'm just doing too much on all the sides. See, hers ain't bringing back no error though. What I do? Oh, them are parentheses. See, sometimes you gotta zoom in. Fix that. Then and now she's telling you what we're doing. Convert the response to JSON. Okay. I'm gonna do what she do. Because that's really all it's about. Just getting it done. Let me type in these comments too so I can remember. I need to really go back and study because who is Jason? I really don't know what they do. I'm not gonna lie. It's so many parentheses stuff, y'all. Man, what? I'm trying to figure out what she did out at the end for. The comma. And then the brackets. Semicolon. That just seems like a lie. I don't know. Oh, because she didn't know turn. See? That's why you gotta wait and watch and think. Because it's still inside the function. I don't know what them brackets for though, I can't lie. That's perplexing me. Alright. You see what I mean? Like, why is all this necessary? All these symbols and stuff. It just seemed like the most. Okay, but why is it 3 of them right there? See, now, let me make sure I'm doing this right. No, it's supposed to be parentheses right there. And then white. I'm gonna just go part by part. Bracky. Two parentheses, posable. Oh, parentheses. List item. Post ID, post title. Then we close it. Then we go down. I don't know where the other one is supposed to. Oh, but it's showing me. Never mind. Let me check. Alright. Now we exporting. Okay. Ain't dramatic. Going back to the reactjs, and we're going to import the function. We're going to import the function. Import the function. And we're not even doing use state. That's what I thought. I won't even be doing it. Ooh. Did she put it in there? It clearly didn't work. Let's see what she did to fix it. This is also why these videos be so long. This video is 4 hours. I'm not finna sit here for 4 hours to do this video. I'm probably finna just jump into the project in just a minute. How long have I been on here? I've been going for about 20 minutes. I might go for a few more minutes on this just to make sure I'm doing this right. And then we can go to the actual project. Because also I want to see what's wrong. What's wrong with hers? She's looking at the developer tools. Okay, she misspelled something, it looks like. She misspelled placeholder in the JSON link. Let me go see. I really just need to see if mine run. I need to just try it first. But I am gonna go check it though. Alright, let me run mine. Or let me go check it. Ain't nothing popping up. Let me go back to the video. Hold on. Dang, come on, bro. It might not even be me for real. Okay, I didn't answer it. I'm trying to see her screen. Trying to make sure mine look the same. It's theirs. Alright. If I import the example. Alright, let's go back and look at it and make sure. Alright. There's really nothing on the page. No, nothing's popping up. We go into the developer tools. Let's see what's wrong. He said on fetch example line 4 character 31. It's saying that use state is not defined. Let me see. Oh my gosh, my computer just tripping. Move. Line 4. Okay. It's saying use state not defined, but oh, you see, as I'm telling y'all, y'all gotta watch them cases. It's because I didn't put the uppercase S. Now it should work. Let's reload the page. Still talking about the error. Oh. It says a type error. JX line 18. Slice. Cannot read properties of undefined. Slice. Okay, what she do? Just did the same way. Close that slice. See, this is why this stuff takes so long. Okay. What's wrong with it? Oh, maybe I didn't put the right character or something. I'm gonna go with those. No, that's definitely what I did. I really don't know. I ain't gonna lie. So I can see you better. And it's definitely raining. Very nice. Very, very nice. I'm trying not to jump the gun, but it kind of made me just want to go straight to the project and start working on it. But I'm like, my eyebrows. Cause I feel like this be my problem. I always run into an issue like at some point like this and be trying to figure out what it is, and it be so hard to figure it out. And they saying that it's on line 18 of the fetch. The fetch is script. And it's saying it's a slice. And saying that it's undefined, but what are you talking about? What made that work though? See? Let me see what the project looking like. But also, if I can't get this to work, how to get the project to work? Post.slice 0,5 dot map. Can't nobody tell me what I did wrong. I'm definitely trying to figure it out. I'm tired of this, Grandpa. And she just gonna share it to the chat. That's why I'm like, I'm doing the same thing though. And it's not working. What is it though? What's wrong with it? I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know. And this is the problem right here. You know what? I'm just have to talk to my teacher. I'm gonna have to come back to this at another time because this is ridiculous. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes to try to figure it out because I don't know. Let me look it up. Stop showing it. I don't like AI stuff. It should be an array though. But I guess they also come from the website that it's coming from. Bro, what? I'm not gonna lie, I've been trying to figure out if this is for me. I feel like this is cool, you know what I'm saying? It's cool to have a skill. And also, this is blowing me. I think building websites and stuff is cool. I'm good at HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I'm okay. And maybe I'm really not that good at JavaScript, but I'm gonna get there. Some stuff is cool. I feel like React is an easier version, like, of working with JavaScript, but also clearly I'm still having these errors, and that's what I just don't. Trying to find a solution, be doing, and then it always end up being something tiny. I feel like that's what be taking me out. I'm trying to see what I should use right now. Because I don't understand why it wouldn't be defined if the website is supposed to have. The website is supposed to have this stuff on there. I figured that's why she's using it. You know what I'm saying? Let me go to it myself. See? You got all this stuff on there. Maybe that'll change it. Hold on, let me go look at it now. Nope. It gave me more errors. Let me see. No, it's still talking about the dumb slice. I'm gonna keep the slash A right there. Never mind. Okay, I get it. It just keeps saying undefined. I'm gonna ask my teacher. I'm not gonna keep doing this right now. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all. I appreciate it. I'm gonna get back on here